CCTV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobying Jompi
Ke group of ministers kabala shong jingelang biang hakakhat pratarik ubna jemang arajar arpuar banya theriatai sani kumno ban o khajana katkum ka goods and services tax halor ke casino ke race course but online gaming kala shim ya katto katne ki rai na ka benta ban Phah ya ke Jingai Jingmut sha ka Ministry of Finance ke Sorkar India ka ban sara hakmat ke GST Council khnang bakan dubla ban shim ya ka rai ka bakhaddo Menteri Rangba Jong Kejelau Konrad Sangmau bala syak thung kumu convener banyalamnya ke group of ministers haga jingya keren berkilat patai khubor hadin malawai ke jingyalang kabalalong North Block Delhi uliyatho bakani ke jingyalang kalaya ther sani bha halor ki ruling jong ke Supreme Court ki jingshim rai ki baladep bat ki wei de ki mat jingyatai.
It was a very detailed meeting with a detailed presentation from all the stakeholders and especially our officials gave a detailed presentation. And after going through all the details, we have gone into aspects of the law. We have seen the Supreme Court ruling. We have seen what were the decisions that were taken in the past. And based on that, recommendations have been made. Only issue is that I will not be able to share those recommendations.
Sir, whether 28% has been...
please listen to me. The reason is because these are recommendations which I will have to present to the Honorable Finance Minister, and it has to be placed in the GST Council, and ultimately it is the Council that is going to decide. So therefore, the recommendations of GOM are only recommendations, and therefore at this point in time, it will be inappropriate for me or the GOM to really give details about those aspects. But the only thing I want to say is that all the decisions and recommendations that we have made have been based on existing laws that are in place, existing rulings from the Supreme Court, and keeping in mind the entire uniformity that needs to be maintained in the sector as a whole. So all these factors had to be looked in. All the decisions and recommendations that we have made have been based on existing laws that are in place, existing rulings from the Supreme Court, and keeping in mind the entire uniformity that needs to be maintained in the sector as a whole. So all these factors had to be looked in. We also looked at the aspect of the growth of different sectors. We also looked at the aspect of ensuring that the entrepreneurs, the businesses, all these aspects also were considered. But as I said, the GOM had to take a consistent view, and based on that we'll be submitting a report. And very soon, as I said, GST Council will take a call. We have been asked to study this in detail, and we have given our recommendations, and the reports will be submitted based on the existing laws and the rules and the Supreme Court rulings that are in place. And that's the basis on which we have given our recommendations. As I said, exact numbers and all, it will not be appropriate.
So how soon the council will pick up the matter?
No, it's done. The decision has been made. We are submitting a report. Maybe in a day or two, whenever the report is ready, I will formally submit it to the Honorable Finance Minister, and we are hopeful that it will be taken up in the next GST Council.